Hey guys, as we all know, Eid is right around the corner. So I've decided to come up with this nice, easy makeup tutorial that can be done by you, or you can have someone else do it just to feel extra beautiful on Eid. I've used my sister as a model, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys slay. So I'm gonna use the Shayla times ColourPop eyeshadow palette, and I just took that transition shade, which is like a light beige color, and I'm just gonna put that into her crease. If you don't have this eyeshadow palette, it's fine. Just make sure to use a light color like this. Then after that, I went into that orange shade in the palette. You could take any orange shade that you have at home. Once again, it doesn't have to be this palette, and I just start building up that color. So I go in again with that orange shade, but a bit heavier, just so I could build up more color, so everything could look beautiful and seamless once we start adding the brighter colors. So then I go into that deep plum color of the palette, and I just start putting that on the outer corner of her eye and into her crease as well. This is just gonna help me, keep it smoky but not too much. I'm not gonna use black because black is gonna make it too dark. So I went ahead and cleaned up the crease and made a cut crease, and I'm just gonna go back and add back that orange color that I added before. Then I go into the Morphe 35B palette, and I took a dark purple shade and I just placed that right on top of the orange color, and took the brush I was using before and just blended the colors in together. So then I'm going to take this eyeshadow pigment from Peach's Makeup in the shade Fantasy, and I'm going to just apply that to the front of her lid. So I've already moisturized and primed her skin. You guys have to make sure you do that. And I'm going to take this Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Chocolate Mousse, and I'm going to just apply that to her face. Then I take my favorite concealer, my Kylie Jenner concealer in the shade Chai and the shade Java, and I'm just going to go ahead and highlight and contour her face with those two colors. So then I'm just going to take a damp beauty blender, and I'm going to blend out both the highlight and the contour. I'm going to use a brush for the contour and a beauty blender for the highlight. I wanna be like this. If love can be like this, I wanna do like this. So I'm going to take my favorite setting powder, which is the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just going to set the highlighted areas of her face. And I've taken my Ebony bronzer from CoverGirl to contour and set the cream contour that I did before. So as that powder sits there, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some eyeshadow on her lower lash line. I use a pink, and then like a little purple color, like a deeper purple color, and then I go in with a cream eyeliner and put it into her waterline, and take a black gel liner and put that right under her waterline, like where her lash line is. Then I'm just going to put on some mascara, and then the next step is to dust away that setting powder. That's about like 5 minutes that it was sitting there. Then I take my blush. This is a blush set from Juvia's Place. It's like a whole little palette, which is so cute because it comes with different shades for different skin tones. And then I'm going to take my NYX lip liner, and I'm going to outline her lips, and then I'm going to take this Dose of Color More Creamer Please lipstick and apply that. Then on top, apply the Shayla times ColourPop lip gloss topper. So, I'm keeping the lips pretty simple. And then I'm going to just set her with some setting spray and make sure, she's good. So this is the final look. I think she looks absolutely beautiful, and I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. I can't wait to see what looks you guys come up with. You could recreate this, you could do it the exact same way, or you could just, put your own twist to it. You don't have to always, do exactly what I'm doing, but I just can't wait to see your looks. Thanks for watching.